How can someone have direct relationship with Krishna? It is like, I want the bulb should have light, it should give light. I want electricity in my home, but I don't want any wiring. Without wiring you want electricity, it is simply nonsense. There is a power station. From the power station your house has to be connected with wiring. If there is no wiring, then the bulbs and fans will be like this only. It will not be of any use. So we cannot make any direct connection with Krishna, because when we, as I was saying, that we don't want to disclose our heart because there are so many anarthas within the heart. So Krishna, if we want to connect with Krishna, then the things, the anarthas, unwanted things which are there within my heart is to be removed. So actually Guru does not come between Krishna and me. Guru comes between Krishna and me to remove those things which is actually obstructing me to connect with Krishna. That is Guru's business. Guru doesn't come to obstruct my relationship with Krishna. Rather he comes which is obstructing my relationship with Krishna. He removes that. So therefore Guru is like a bridge. You want to go to the other side of the river, you should not think that the bridge is the obstacle. Rather bridge is helping you to go to your destination. So Srila Prabhupada, we see in one of the most frequently subject discussed by Srila Prabhupada in all his purports is the Guru-disciple relationship, the need for a spiritual master.